Analysis of traffic performance of NH79 road, Rajasthan, India. Abstract. This research focused on analyzing the traffic performance of NH79 road from Chittorgarh/Bhilwara, Rajasthan, India. The road is currently a two-way direction with 3-lane carriageways in both the direction. After closely observation, the problems identified were traffic congestion, delay, prone to accident which associated with high traffic volume, and inappropriate parking facilities. The parameters considered in this research were capacity, density, saturation ratio. After analysis conducted from the data collected, it was revealed that the road section has an average daily capacity of 12,609 ves/day and average hourly traffic flow of 1261 ves/hour with average speed of 54 kph. The traffic density of the road is 112 vs/m, therefore based on the parameters evaluated it is concluded that road belongs to level of service E. This is because all the parameter are within the range service class E in compliances with the recommendation made in the HCM 2000, thus it is recommended that the NH79 section shall be facilitated with proper planning due to the fact the road is still growing and changing, resulting in a more responsive and useful transportation process. Also, management and maintenance will immensely help for the road to sustain its lifespan without deterioration, and provision of well-integrated traffic control system especially in Gangrar town junction will reduce the level conduction, delay prone to accident and travel time of the drivers and other road user. Keywords: performance, traffic, volume, parameters, delay. 1.0 Introductions. Times, the expressway with multiple lane was considered to be the answer to making of the traffic problems associated with road high volume. When a multiple lane is used as the form of control at road high volume, its geometric features are of great impact on its ability to properly carry out its intended function. Apart from queuing delays which occur due to heavy traffic at peak hours, the geometric features of expressway with multiple lane could cause delays at other times throughout the day, thereby affecting traffic performance significantly. Congestion, particularly on city streets and urban freeways, continue to pose a serious problem to traffic engineers. However, construction of new roads or widening of existing ones may not always be the solution for relieving congestion, since the capacity of urban roads are generally governed by that of their intersection. The solution might be to increase the capacity of critical intersection rather than constructing new roads or widening the entire length of the roadway. According to research by 1. On the effect analysis of traffic volume, velocity, and density in Dr. Siwabesi Salabar Road, they found the street is considered to be one of the busy streets in Ambon city with various vehicles passing by along with the crowded pedestrian activities. Especially in the morning and evening hours, the flow analysis of Dr. Siwabesi Road traffic is said to have not experienced saturation because the ratio of volume to capacity has a value less than 1. Based on their study, it was found out that both traffic flow from Ambon city to Esar or vice versa shows the dominant influence of vehicles' speed, us, on traffic density, d, compared to traffic volume factor, v. 1, generated a regression model of Dr. Siwabesi Road. The formula for Ambon to Esar is d equals 18.32-0.35 us plus 0.024 q, and that of Esar to Ambon is d equals 18.67-0.396 us plus 0.021 q, where both have a very high correlation value of R2 equals 0.999. 2. Found that the effective of management urban planning comes directly from the accurate data collections and analysis at various central business district, CBD. From the analysis of tank tipper intersection, they found that the existing capacity intersection is given as 4969 vph and practical capacity RQP equals 4224 vph and 6676 vph as the new proposed practical capacity. Also, 2. Research found that the videography cost N8,700 while the manual counting method cost N11,400. They further concluded that the tank tipper intersection operate level of service F which need a serious modification. The operational performance of Mensi Square rotary intersection in Zhenjiang, China was surveyed and analyzed by 3. Based on the following parameters, which include vehicle velocity distribution, gap distribution, and lane distribution, which provide the basis for design and improving traffic flow on the rotary intersection. 3. Concluded that the average velocity increase from lane 1, lane 2 to lane 3, also the average velocity for light vehicles is much compared to that of heavy vehicles for all the sections. According to assessment study conducted by 4. At Babangwari roundabout, a rotary intersection along Katsina Road in Kano metropolis of Kano state of Nigeria. It was observed that the roundabout experienced daily and frequent concurrent delay, accidents, queue build up at morning and evening peak hours. 2.0, Need for the research. NH79 Road Chittorgarh/Bhilwara section is presently a two-way with three-lane carriageway in each direction, in which traffic movement is very high, mostly along Gangrar because of a market presence. After closely observing the roads, the problems identified are high traffic volume, which lead to traffic congestion because of crossing, inadequate parking facilities along Gangrar market. Therefore, this study is necessary to explore the effects of the geometric features and traffic flow parameters as it affects the traffic performance of NH79 Road, Chittorgarh/Bhilwara section. 3.0, Aim and objectives of the study. 3.1, Aim. The aim of the research work is to analyze the traffic performance of NH79 Road, Chittorgarh/Bhilwara section. 3.2, Objectives of the study. The objectives of this study were to conduct a preliminary survey on the existing features of Chittorgarh/Bhilwara section of the NH79 road, to determine traffic volume of Chittorgarh/Bhilwara section of the NH79 road, to determine operational performance most specifically on Chittorgarh/Bhilwara section of the NH79 road. 4.0, General description of the study area. The NH79 is the road which links Chittorgarh and Bhilwara district within Rajasthan, India. It's also made up of rigid pavement having two-way with three-lane carriageway in each direction. Each carriageway is 4.2 m and service lane, which is currently under construction. Other physical features of NH79 include roadway median. The roadway median in the NH79 has the height of 0.23 m and width of 5 m. Drainage. Drainage is one of the most important features in any road because it drains water from the road and discharge it to the discharging point. The drainage system along NH79 has the height of 0.6 m and width of 1.43 m. Pedestrian walkway. The pedestrian walkways was constructed to in compliances with the IRC provision. It has width of 2 m and length of 0.25. Flyovers. There are currently 5 flyovers between Gangrar to Chittorgarh. 4 out of the 5 are fully constructed while 1 is under construction. Service lane. The service lane in NH79 is currently under construction. About 1.5 kilometers is completed. The service lane width is 7 m. 5.0, Methodology. The methods employed to obtain the required data for this research includes preliminary survey on the existing features of the NH79 road section, traffic volume study on section of NH79 road, which was determined manually by using the procedures. Observers were positioned at various cross-section of the roadway. The number of vehicles that passes each observer was noted. The vehicle's timing was expressed in hourly periods and different type of vehicle was categories and record for 10 hours. This was repeated for a week. The results were tabulated and from the methods employed the relevant parameters such as passengers car unit, capacity, density, saturation ratio were determined in order to assess the performance capacity of the road section used for the research. Also, average travel speed was determined by procedures followed. The chosen distance was measured, the observer was stationed at initial point of measured distance, the specimen vehicle was identified, the time taken to reach the end point was noted, then, the speed was calculated. 6.0, Analysis and discussions of result. 6.1, Traffic volume count result. 7 consecutive days traffic volume count was conducted for 10 hours count, 08:00 am 6 p.m., at the NH79 Chittorgarh/Bhilwara Road, Rajasthan, India. The traffic volume of the vehicle recorded during the survey was converted to passengers car unit/equivalents using an appropriate conversion factors as stated in the Indian Road Congress, 6. And the result was presented below. The result of the traffic volume count in figure above revealed that there is increased of traffic in volume in the morning hours and with the 9 am to 10 am as the morning peak hours and also having the 3 pm to 4 pm as evening peak hours. This shows that there is high volume of traffic in both morning and evening hours and less traffic during the midday hours. The average daily traffic obtained is 12609 v/day shows that the road is moderately dense in comparison with the recommendation of Daily Traffic Volume Stated Highway Capacity Manual, HCM 2000, therefore the road capacity can be seen as adequate. The result of the traffic volume count of Bhilwara Chittorgarh presented above follows similar trend with its counter direction having morning peak hour period of 9 am to 10 am and 5 to 6 pm as evening hours peak hour period. The average daily traffic obtained is 10477 v/day shows that the road is highly dense in comparison of the recommendation of Daily Traffic Volume Stated Highway Capacity Manual, HCM 2000, therefore the road capacity can be seen as adequate. The summary of annual average daily traffic obtained during the analysis can be seen that Bhilwara Chittorgarh has little higher value compared with the Chittorgarh to Bhilwara and Tuesday with the highest value while Sunday having lowest value. This may be due to higher population of people moving from the Chittorgarh to Bhilwara. 6.4 Traffic Density. Traffic density was evaluated and presented in the table and figure below. The result of the traffic presented above revealed that the road is highly dense in the morning hours between 8 to 11 am which correspond to morning peak hours while at the evening hours there it increased from 3 to 6 pm with Wednesday having the highest value while Sunday having the lowest value as shown in the figure above. This happened due to variation of vehicles movement on the road. The daily density of this direction is 116 vs/m and it's within the range of the recommended value Highway Capacity Manual, HCM 2000. The same nature of traffic movement obtained along the Bhilwara/Chittorgarh when compared with the other direction, but the peak hours here is 9 to 10 am while the densely hours occurred between 4 to 6 pm. During midday hours there is less movement of traffic along the direction of the Bhilwara/Chittorgarh and the average daily density is 112 vs/m and when it's compared with the Highway Capacity Manual, HCM 2000. The result of vehicle speed were presented above revealed that there is less speed during both morning and evening peak hours, which resulted from the high flow traffic during morning and evening hours respectively, while the speed increases as the traffic flow decreases during midday, 12 pm to 3 pm. This resulted from less movement of both commercial and private vehicle along the road. 7.0 The speed. The speed of the Bhilwara/Chittorgarh flow similar trend with that of Chittorgarh/Bhilwara. The little difference is the average speed. The daily average speed of the vehicle which ranges from 46.8 to 54 kph. To conclude on the speed it can be categories as the level service E. It can be also be seen that the average speed of the vehicle is within the recommended speed of 50-60 km per hour Highway Capacity Manual, HCM 2000. 7.2 Saturation Ratio. The saturation level is very negligible having an average value of 0.1 for each hour. This can be has little impact on the level of service of the road. 8.0 General Discussion. The analysis preliminary conducted along the NH79 revealed that the road has high probability of accident. This is because there is no any provision of traffic regulation that will guide vehicle and other road users such as pedestrian to the right path. Also poor parking facilities is found to negate the smooth movement of vehicle due to rampant and irregular parking along the roadside of the NH79 especially in Gangrar junction market. This market proximity cause congestion, delay and sometimes prone to accident potentialities along the road. The analysis of data of traffic volume count, traffic density, capacity, speed, Level of saturation along the NH79 section revealed that the road has an average daily capacity 12609 ves/day and average hourly traffic flow of 1261 ves/hour with average speed of 54 kph. The traffic density of the road is 112, therefore based on the parameters evaluated it can concluded that road can be level of service. This is because all the parameter are within the range within compliances with the recommendation made in the HCM 2000. 8.1 Conclusions. With the result discussed above, the following conclusions were drawn. The preliminary survey conducted on the NH79 road section revealed that it's made up of rigid pavement having two-way with three-lane carriageway in each direction. Each carriageway is 4.2 m and service lane which is currently under construction. There is no any provision of parking facilities along the road, especially in Gangrar town where there is tendency of high volume of daily traffic due to the presence of market and railway station. Traffic volume study carried out along the road section revealed that the peak hour volume occurs Chittorgarh/Bhilwara in the morning, 9 am to 10 am, and evening, 3 pm to 4 pm. Hours with average daily volume of 12609 ves/day, while Bhilwara/Chittorgarh direction has morning peak hour period between 9 am to 10 am and 5 to 6 pm as evening hours peak hour period with an average traffic obtained is 10477 ves/day respectively, and less flow of traffic is experienced during midday hours due to less movement of vehicles during the period, which former conditions associated with less speed of and later conditions with an incremental speed of 53.5 kph all falls within the recommended range of speed limit of 50-60 kph. Highway Capacity Manual, HCM 2000. Operational performance or level of service of NH79 road section can be categories as E. This is because the average speed is 53.5 kph, the average daily traffic volume of 11543 ves/day and average traffic density of 114, as well as the saturation capacity of 0.1. Therefore the road is within its good condition of operation using Highway Capacity Manual, HCM 2000. 9.0 Future Scope/Recommendations. Based on survey and analysis of result, the following recommendations can be drawn from the study. Planning. Although the NH79 road is still growing and changing, and undoubtedly many of the methods and procedures used today will be modified in the future, resulting in a more responsive and useful transportation process such as provision of parking facilities along in Gangrar town. Management and maintenance. Traffic management system is also important as the design of the road facilities itself, unless the system is adequately managed so to serve its function well. Therefore, there is need for the continuous maintenance to prolong the service life of the road. Traffic control system. Regulation of traffic by provision traffic signal system along the NH79 especially in Gangrar town junction will reduce the level conduction, delay prone to accident and travel time of the drivers and other road user.